How to add payments in Lovable. Now, if you want to add payments to your Lovable project, so basically what you have to do is once you launch Lovable, you can tap the three lines icon from the top left and just go to your project for under whichever project you're currently working on. And let's say within this project, you'd like to add a payments feature. Now for this, you can simply prompt the chat to set up an integrated provider like Paddle or Stripe. The assistant will automatically scaffold your checkout, database components, and backend functions. So basically, you can prompt the chat what you want to sell. For example, let's say you want to add a pricing page with $29 a month subscription, or sell this course for $197, and you can accept the feature overview dialog and fill out the quick account registration form, and you can adjust your tiers and trial periods or discount codes. But you just have to be very careful using natural conversation language and prompt the AI to be able to integrate a payment feature in your project. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.